This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Friday, the 6th of July, and we've seen the markets come off a little bit overnight following some central bank intervention over in Europe and in China. The FTSE 100 that we have up in front of us at the moment, it closed up 8 points, or 0.1%. We can see that it's continued that slowing buy momentum that we had mentioned a few days ago, and appears to be finding some mild resistance around the 5700 level there. So the potential now that we might have a little bit of a pullback, but we are in an upwards trend, so we'll just keep an eye on that particular market. The German DAX was also down. We found the DAX down 29 points, or 0.4%, showing a little bit more selling pressure there, and the French CAC 40 was down 38 points, forming a relatively strong short-term bearish reversal pattern, down 1.1% overall, much stronger than its European cousins, and closing at 3229. In the US markets, the Dow Jones had closed down 47 points, or 0.3%. Again, very short-term sideways action over the last few days. I think the US markets are looking forward to the unemployment figure that is due tonight, or on Friday local time there. The S&P 500 index had closed down 6 points, or 0.47%. It too showing a very similar price pattern action there. And the Nasdaq index actually was virtually unchanged. It was up 0.04 of a point, but that barely registers as a percentage, so unchanged on the Nasdaq markets. Locally, the ASX 200 hesitated ahead of the central bank intervention, or the central bank announcements that were coming out last night, and we saw the ASX 200 down only 2 points yesterday, closing at 4170. The SPY futures are pointing to a slightly lower open of 10 points, showing that there is that hesitation, that resistance there. We'll just need to see whether that selling pressure holds on through the session today, but again, not likely to have a strong selling drive ahead of tonight's unemployment in the US. And that's our summary for Friday, the 6th of July. We hope you have a great weekend. We look forward to giving you an update on Monday.